No, hatutaki maandamano enye polisi wanatukontrol ni wapi tutaenda na ni wapi hatutaenda.
Residents, comrades and civil society groups gathered in Mombasa on Tuesday to commemorate 30 years since the first Sabasaba march, with organizers describing the day as peaceful even as the fight for economic right continues. Speaking at the demonstration, Edwin Shamir said the struggle for multipartyism in Kenya is not yet over.
Hatujapata uhuru wa kuwa na vyama vingi hapa Kenya. Sisi tunapigania hali ya uchumi. The first liberation ilikuwa ni kupatia Kenya uhuru. The second liberation was about to fight for the multi-party democracy and the new constitution. Now the third liberation is about kuondoa uchumi ya Kenya. Hali ya uchumi haiko vizuri. Na vile unaona Kenya inadaiwa takriban 12.8 trillion.
He accused the government of targeting dissenting voices even as it claims to embrace multi-party democracy.
Yule ambaye ako mamlakani akiamka asubuhi anafinya zile political parties ambao wanamhold accountable. The dissenting voices, they are abducting them, they are killing them. So how are you telling us that we are going to embrace multi-partyism, yet you are killing the dissenting voices?
Shamir took issue with recent taxation measures singling out levies on basic goods.
Which country is this?
Reporting for the Ground Signal, Joan Kinuthia, Mombasa County.